On the Mach-Tech Hungary 2017, we represent the Chiron Group on that exhibition. We are on the booth from Rollatast. This is our dealer in Hungary. So on the exhibition, the D18W machine represents the Chiron Group, and we machine on that metal valve. This metal valve is used for different application in water business, hydraulic business as well. And gearbox housings. We show also an old and new machine, FZ12W. That means our retrofit company, CMS, do that job. So they buy the old machine from our customers and do the retrofit and sell it back to the market. So a benefit of a retrofitted machine is very simple. If we retrofit the control, you can reduce the cycle time approximately 10 or 20%. So for a couple of years, we also add to Chiron Group Scherer Feinbau. So this is a part of turning machines. Scherer Feinbau are very familiar with machining of brake discs, with shafts and so on. And the reason is we want to provide to the customer a complete machining process, complete machining cell. That means from turning through drilling to milling. We have the brands Stama, Scherer Feinbau, CMS, and for sure Chiron in the group. But we know about that is not enough. We have to break data in that way that our customer have the possibility to improve their processes. Up to now we have the solution, we call it data line. Data line collect all available information from the metal cutting center, from the metal cutting machine, from the process and from the machining condition. We need to give the customer the possibility to improve their process. That means with the software data line, able to improve the processes later on. At the beginning, we reach a cycle time with 5 minutes. If you can control, monitor the data, you are able to reduce that dramatically in the future.